Most men miss it, not because they're dumb, not because women are unclear, but because they're listening with the wrong ears. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a woman say something to you that felt different, but you brushed it off as politeness, a joke, or a harmless compliment? Yeah, that wasn't harmless. When a woman wants sex, she rarely says it directly. Her subconscious doesn't ask, it signals, and those signals come disguised as compliments. Tonight, I'm going to show you 9 compliments women give when they want more, why they happen, what they really mean, and how high-value men respond without chasing, explaining, or ruining the moment. Listen slowly, because once you hear these, you can't unhear them. Number 1. You're different from other guys. This is not praise, this is qualification. When a woman says this, her brain has failed to put you in a category, and that uncertainty creates attraction. Psychologically, women screen for outliers, men who don't fit predictable patterns. Predictable equals safe but boring. Unpredictable equals dangerous and exciting. Have you noticed how she says this casually, almost testing you? What most men do is smile and say, "Thanks, I try to be." That's validation seeking. What high-value men do is confirm, not explain. A calm response like "I know" or "That's why you noticed." No apology, no gratitude. You're leading the frame now. Number 2, you have a sexy mind. Pay attention here. She didn't compliment your body and she didn't mention your looks. She complimented how you think. That's psychological arousal. Her attraction has moved from surface level to cognitive imprinting. In simple terms, your ideas are stimulating her nervous system. Evolution links intelligence with control, status, and capability, which is why this compliment feels heavier. You might notice this when conversations go deeper, when debates turn playful, when she listens just a little too closely. This is where you lean in, not pull back. Escalate mentally, introduce bolder opinions. Slow your speech. When you stimulate her mind, her body follows. Number 3, you make me feel calm, safe around you. This sounds emotional, but it's biological. Attraction requires nervous system regulation, and a woman can't feel desire if her system feels chaotic. When she says this, your presence is doing 2 things at once, grounding her and exciting her. That's the rare combination: protector energy with underlying strength. Have you noticed how she relaxes physically around you? Leans closer, speaks softer. Don't overtalk here. Say less, hold eye contact. Let the silence work. You've already passed the test. Number 4, you're kind of intimidating, in a good way. This is one of the clearest signals. She's not afraid of you, she's uncertain about you, and uncertainty triggers attraction when status is present. Intimidation here means she can't control the outcome with you. She doesn't know how you'll react. She doesn't know where she stands. Most men rush to soften themselves and say, "I'm not intimidating. I'm actually really nice." That kills tension. The high-value response is a slow smile with no explanation. Let her feel the tension, because that tension becomes desire. Number 5, you have a mysterious vibe. This one is dangerous in a good way. Mystery activates the reward-seeking loop in the brain, and when something isn't fully accessible, it becomes valuable. If she says this, you're not oversharing. You're not seeking approval, you're emotionally opaque, and that drives her crazy. She's trying to figure you out, so don't ruin it. Keep intentions implied, not stated. A man who is felt not explained is the man she thinks about when she's alone. Number 6, there's just something about you. This is limbic confusion. She feels attraction but can't logically justify it, which means you bypassed her mental filters and went straight to emotion. You might notice her pause after saying this, almost waiting for you to help her explain it. Don't. Never explain attraction for her. Let the feeling stay undefined. Confusion plus emotion equals obsession, and silence here is power. Number 7. You don't care what people think, do you? This is not criticism. It's admiration disguised as curiosity. Women are highly sensitive to social hierarchy. And when you demonstrate independence from approval, you signal leadership. You're showing her you could walk away and still be fine, which triggers loss aversion. When she says this, confirm calmly with, "Not really," or "I move how I move." No justification. Autonomy is magnetic. Number 8. Why do you make everything a game? Listen carefully. Women don't accuse men of playing games unless they're losing emotionally. You triggered her competitive side. You didn't play straightforward, and now she's hooked and frustrated. This is where men self-sabotage by explaining themselves. Don't. Stay playful, stay relaxed. The moment you justify, you give up control. Number 9. You're dangerous when you're quiet. This is the ultimate compliment. Silence signals self-control, and non-reactivity signals power. Her nervous system is responding to your stillness. You're not chasing, you're not seeking reassurance, you're grounded. Mystery creates tension, and tension creates desire. A man who controls his words controls the emotional dynamic, and that's the man women feel before they understand. So here's the truth. Women don't chase men who beg for clarity, they gravitate toward men who hold presence. If you've heard even one of these compliments before, now you know what it meant. And if you start noticing them more often, it's because you stopped trying to impress and started letting your energy speak. If this resonated with you, leave a comment and tell me which one you've heard. And if you're done chasing approval and ready to control the dynamic, you know what to do. Slow down, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.